There we go. Second. What in the world? Microphone music messed up. Bang. There we go. There we go. We are chilling. I'm gonna turn this down just a little. There we go. Okay. So, let's see. Let me move some wires around as well. And then I'm gonna real quick pop up a chat so I can read the chat as well. Let's see. Okay, there we go. And I think we're chilling. Yeah, let's do this case. So basically, the plan is... Oh, I gotta get my notepad out as well. Or actually, no. I don't need a notepad out. It's just gonna be all right here. So basically, the plan is to complete all of this stuff. So I've already done most of the stuff, and I can show it right here as well. Let's see. So yeah, I'm currently working on the rain. It's about finished. I have all the stuff kind of working. Next is the steel. That's not gonna be super hard. I don't think the only part that's gonna be hard is this part, and I don't think that seems super complicated. But yeah, that's looking all right. That's looking all right. So let's go ahead and do it. So let me kind of show what's already. Actually, I wonder what I was doing last time. So I threw it in here, I think. So basically how it works is the iron rain. Oh. Let me copy a version of it real quick and then I'll paste it in. Oops. Yeah, so basically this is what it looks like. It drops little droplets too. But yeah, I just need to set it up so that it's connected to the player. So right here, I gotta come to here and then, oh, that's what I was doing. Yeah, so basically this is where I get connected to the weapon. So I'm gonna also have to open up the sword real quick. So that was the iron tier 3 scripts, and then which one would it be? Right here. Or no, it would be its own script actually, but I can copy. I'm also gonna have to do like all this glow blade stuff, but for now what I can do is ability 1 script. I can copy all this, and then if I come to my custom plugins, I go to AG, and then I select tier 3, I can add ability 1 and 2, there we go, and then we can edit the tier 1 with this, and now we're gonna have to mess with a bit of stuff. So we need the materials. So the blade, we need the glow blade, and then let's duplicate that and let's call it, what is it, main blade. There we go. And then now we're just gonna copy over the material from the glow blade, kind of like that, and then main blade. So yeah, let's go ahead and copy this, neon and transparency 1, glow blade, transparency 1, material neon, color, paste that in, nice. But we also need to anchor, or not anchor, but probably make another glue. So what did I use? Oh, I used motor 60. So I think I gotta go into here and then new motor 60 to main blade, because I'm pretty sure the other one goes to the shield glow blade. Yeah, perfect. I think that's about right. Oh, we need to set the transparency too. So let's go ahead and do that transparency. Oh, I already did it. Perfect. So let's go ahead and test the tier 3 then. And just make sure the second ability is working. And then after that we can work on implementing so that the other ability spawns in the new weapon too. Or the new stuff. We'll see. We'll see. Alright, there we go, there we go. So we have a tier 2 equipped right now, so we're gonna have to go ahead. Oh, we already got a tier 3 actually, never mind. Let me go ahead and try and use the ability. Okay, so I got the ability to work. It's functioning correctly now. And this is on the tier 3, tier 4. Yeah, so it doesn't have an ability at the moment, so that's expected. I'm gonna have to boost the shield defense though, because I'm pretty sure, what was it? It's from 6 to 10, and I think originally it was, or I updated it to be 8 in the game, so I'm gonna set this one to like 12 or something. So for this one, which, let me double check that this is the right. Tier 3, perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna set the defense to 12, or actually, I did set it to 6, never mind. So I'm gonna do 10 in that case, and then minus 10. There we go. And that's about it for that. We can go ahead and copy all this though, and then go to the ability 2. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna paste it in, and we're gonna set the values real quick. So set that and set this, and I think that's about it. Let me search for ones, make sure I didn't miss anything. Yeah, perfect. So right now, I have it set it up so that both of them do the same thing, but let's see. I'm probably gonna need something. You know, the thing is, if I use 2 abilities at the same time, I'm thinking these tweens are gonna probably mess up because they're gonna override each other. It's gonna be weird. They're gonna like glitch over around and everything. But I just want to see what it looks like first, because I wonder if tweening a value will destroy the old tween on that value. I don't know, so we'll see. But I'm assuming this won't work, but we'll see, we'll see. So just to make sure it's working, let's go ahead and test it, and I'll use both abilities, see what happens. And if it works, then I'm gonna go ahead and set it up so that it teleports a rain particle. Okay, so I press 4 and I press 5. So yeah, now I have 2 abilities actually currently. Is the twinning working actually? I can't really tell. Let me try again. So 5 and then 4. Maybe I'm doing it too fast, but it is like technically doing both abilities. So you know, it didn't mess up the sword coloring, so I think maybe it's fine. I think it's good. This is good. So let's see. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna set the transparency equals 0.25. That's correct. It's not gonna be a shield though, so I don't need a shield. And I don't want to do any defense stuff either. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and remove all the prints as well, just because it might get in the way if I'm trying to read something. There we go. At least for ability 1. For ability 2, I'll keep it. I'm gonna go ahead and go over to the ability 1 and this one as well, and I'm gonna remove them as well. There we go, and then there we go. Perfect. So yeah, all I gotta do now is set it up so that, let's see. Yeah, we don't need any of this blue shit, but we do need, what's it called? Rain. So let's see what I called it. I kind of forgot. Iron Rain, there we go. So Iron Rain, oops, clone, and then the clone, it goes to the workspace, and then Shockwave. Is that part? And you know, that reminds me, let's see, because I did have something, I might be referencing shield particle, maybe not actually. Perfect. Oh, because I used the particle, it just pulls all the particles in the function. Never mind, we're chilling then. We are chilling. So we're gonna rename this though, Iron Rain, and I'm gonna set it up so that basically it's gonna be a one-shot. So it's gonna be init one-shot ability, and actually since it's a one-shot, I actually don't need a lot of this stuff. The only one I really need actually is probably, let's see, I'm gonna just comment it out just so that I don't accidentally remove something that I might need later on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And we're gonna remove all this and just set it to callback. And let's see what I can do here. Oh, let's go ahead and do that. There we go. Length. Is there a length to this? I mean, the tier of ability. Or a, what does this do? I'm wondering, oh, because it's a persistent. Okay, so init one shot. There we go. So now it's not going to be the same arguments. So I'm going to have to reset the arguments real quick. So cooldown, mana consumption 0. Or actually, let's see. I didn't really set anything, so for now it's just going to be 40. Health consumption 0. Mana percent 0. 0. Callback, let's see. Player is going to be... Oh, callback. Oh, that's it. And then that's all the arguments. Perfect. So that's everything. Basically, it's just going to run this. So we're going to generate the Iron Rain. Oh, I'm doing it on ability 1. Shoot, I just realized. I'm going to go ahead and copy all of this. I'm going to undo everything I just did. That's annoying. Yeah, and this was already worked. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I might have went too far. Let's see. That should work. I'm gonna remove the prints though. Oh yeah, I might also have to set the values again. Whoops. Yeah, I gotta be careful about that. Cause I was just working on the wrong script, so I gotta, maybe I'll just go ahead and close it. That way I know exactly what I'm working on. And so I can probably just paste it in. Then I'm gonna go ahead and set the new value. So 2, and then we're gonna set 2 for the ability as well. Let's see, I don't think I have any errors at the moment. Okay, we got 40, 0, 0, 0, and then callback. Nice. And we got 2 over here, ability type. Okay, so now that we got all this done, and we're twinning everything's working. Tween info though, what is the tween info? Where is that? So tween info, cooldown, +1. Cooldown is 15, that's... how long do I want the ability to last actually? That's the real question. So I think for now, yeah, you know what, 15, why not? So for now we're just gonna do 15. And yeah, basically this is tweening it away. And we don't want to do any of this like follow collider or anything. And we also don't want the shield particle to play. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and set this shield, clone, shield.workspace parent. Oh, and this is supposed to be Iron Name. And then we can go ahead and do it like this. I don't know if I actually need to do it like this though, because it's only going to be used right here. So basically instead what I can do is just this. There we go. And then, yeah, I'm going to set up a value. I wonder if it's better to do a function actually. Let's see, so what I'm thinking about is if I want to set it up so that the... Crap. Why did I just click? There we go. Boom. Okay, so callback runs. Yeah. I do know I'm gonna have to set the value pivot to, yeah. No mouse pause stuff though. So it's gonna pivot to position. Also, rain. I need to set the hitbox transparency to 1. Oh, it already is. Perfect. Humanoid group part dot position. Minus. We need the height of the rain minus. And actually, let me double check that this has a primary part. Yeah, that would be a problem. Iron rain dot primary part dot size dot y divided by 2. So basically, because this is gonna put it at the very middle of the player, because I think, yeah, and basically, oh, I have to add, actually, I have to plus this. And also to make sure that it's working, I'm gonna make it transparent a little, just 0.8, that way I can see it a little bit, make sure it's looking right. And then I think, I'm pretty sure it's already anchored, but yeah, it's already anchored, perfect. And I don't think we want any of this querying stuff either. Publish service, not sure what that means, I think that's just a glitch. But yeah, with that, let's see, maybe I'll do 3 on this one. And then, yeah, I mean, that's looking right to me. But yeah, I do want it to set it up so that it's gonna have to do like a while active. Wait, okay, so this is gonna be where, okay, so I'm gonna have to do this inside here because I'm gonna have to combine it to a new, so local, wait, cumulative wait time number equals, I'm just gonna do 0, because I'm gonna accumulate it basically, so wait time plus equals, and then we can paste this in, math.random divide by 4, while active, and wait time is smaller than, and we're gonna do 15 because that's what we said. And then after here, this is where we're gonna do destroy event fired. And then it's gonna destroy itself. It's also gonna, because this is the script that spawns the droplet, so it's gonna stop the droplet spawning as well. Okay, I think this is about it. Let me see that it's working. Hopefully it works. Oh man, there's a lot of errors. Data store. What is going on? Try sending fewer request key. Alright, something's going on. I don't know if that's a problem with the script though, because I've never seen this error before. On the studio, you have API access in the studio on the game settings. What? Oh, yeah. That's what I was expecting. Yeah, dang it. So I don't even know if I can actually test it, because... Or, let me try it again. They're probably like pushing an update right now. Dang. Yeah, I think they're pushing an update right now. Yeah, because I'm getting all these errors that I've never seen before. An internal server error. Data store request was added to the queue. If request queue fails. Failed to load mesh. Yeah. Let me try doing this as well, commenting all this out just to make sure that it's not like just an error with the item. Yeah, okay. So yeah, maybe I have to do this a different time then, because I don't know if I could fix that. Because yeah, that's not really I don't think that's a problem. I don't know. Yeah, I mean... Yeah, it's looking good though. Anytime server errors. Let me check this out actually real quick. Oh, that is the same error that I have. Notice, it was happening in June. Oh, that's right now. Wait, when was this? June. How do I check the day? Closed. Did someone fix it? That's great. We have been working on reducing them. Actually, I could probably show this on stream. So yeah, that's great. We have been working on reducing them. Oh, okay, wait, oh. Hi, could you please confirm if the internal server errors are still occurring? What is going on? Yeah, this is new though. Or no, June 20. That was last year. That was last year. But they do have like messages from December. So it started in June. We have been working on reducing them. What does that mean? How do I fix this? Is this a new error? I don't know. May 20, that was a long time ago. Let me check if people are talking about it. Is this considered a, yeah, it's a bug report. Let's see. So what was the error? Data store. Maybe, okay, let me try. Let's see. What could it be? I'm gonna try commenting this out again. And then all of this. Because this is the only thing that I've added. And it was working just a few minutes ago. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna disable this. And then let's see. If it works now, then it's just an error with my code, but yeah, I don't know. API services request, rejected request with error. Zero reason, an internal server error occurred. Try sending fewer requests.key. And that's just like my player ID. Six-second cooldown between each call. I mean, it's a bit longer than 6 seconds, but I don't know. Okay, let me try something else then. Okay, so that means it's in the... What could be doing this then? Let's see. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna re-enable the script on this just so I don't forget. And then I'm gonna go to my save load. And then I'm gonna switch to a new build. I don't think this would fix it, but maybe it will, I don't know. Yeah, what's going on? I think there's an error. over the last 7 days. We have been working on reducing it. What's causing it though? How do I fix this? Image of output. What? Is that the output? Alright. You can save normal pets. Is it? But you can't save normal pet. Oh, you can't save tables. Normal pets is table first make. I think this is a different error though. So like, how do I fix this error though? Check status. Or yeah, let me check that. Oh, well, that'll do it. Alright, I should have just checked this, bro. Oh my gosh, yeah, so something's going on right now. They're probably getting hacked or something. As usual. Oh my. But yeah, that's the reason why I can't test it. Bruh. But my whole player is like glitched. Is that server kick message? What in the world is going on? What's that error that probably shouldn't be happening though? Decode. Yeah, I mean, bruh. I can't even do much about that, so it's like, dang, my whole PC is lagging. Okay, so I mean, maybe I picked like the worst time to stream, because yeah, I can't really do anything. Dang. What can I do then? Well, technically I can't test anything, so I can't even like work on new stuff because I can't even test it. Oh man. I mean, like, yeah, this is kind of weird. So I kind of just gotta wait, but like, who knows how long it's gonna take to fix, so... Man, that's a tragedy. Well, in that case, I guess I kind of just have to end the stream here because, I mean, there's really not much I can do. Yeah, by tomorrow it's probably gonna be fixed. Okay, so I mean, yeah, that's gonna be about it, I guess. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Hit the bell, yes. But yeah, next time, maybe. So, yeah. All right, we'll be off in. Yeah, let me try one more time. Let me try one more time before I stop. Come on. And if it airs here, then yeah, it's just the end of the stream, I guess. Yeah, bruh. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Dang.